I like to go skiing in the winter. It is so exciting and fun to ski down the snowy hills. I wanted to make a landscape of a snowy mountain after I went skiing. Let's do it together. We will need white paper, some construction paper, some glue, scissors, a pencil, an eraser, and crayons or markers. First, tear long strips of colored paper with your hands. Listen to the sound I make when I'm tearing the paper. I like this sound. And then take out a piece of white paper and think about what kind of landscape you want to create. Imagine the real landscape you've seen and think about how to create them in your paper. I roughly sketched the border between the sky and the snowy mountains and trees on the mountain. Now let's glue on the ripped colored paper. Select the colors that you want for the sky and glue them on top of the paper. I mixed warm colors to make it look like the sunset. Glue the trees that are on the white snow. Stick some thick colored paper on the trees that are in front and thin colored paper on the trees that are in the back to show the trees that are near and far. Add details with colored paper ripped into small pieces. Nice! I made a snowy landscape. This landscape is inspired from a ski resort, so I'll draw up my family skiing. You can draw it with crayons or markers on the other white paper. Tear it off or cut it, then glue it to the landscape. It would be nice to add something like winter animals or houses. This picture makes me want to ski again. Do you want to draw it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!